Let's start with today's video, 10 must-know hand gestures in Procreate to simplify your art. So our first gesture is for undo feature. So suppose I draw something. Example, I'm drawing a hat. I'm filling colors in it. But I want to undo it. So tap 2 fingers to undo and tap 3 fingers to redo. If you tap and hold 2 fingers on screen, it will continuously undo, and hold 3 fingers to continuously redo. If you want to clear all elements on a layer, rub 3 fingers on screen to delete all the elements on the layer. If you pull down 3 fingers on screen, you will see various options like cut, copy, copy all, duplicate, cut, paste and paste. Pinch on screen to zoom in or zoom out. If you have zoomed in or out too much, then quick pinch to bring the canvas to full size. Tap and hold down your finger on screen to choose a color. Tap 4 fingers on the screen to get the full view of your canvas on the entire screen.